your torch on this side of the line towards me. Hey,
I'm trying.
listen, I'm trying to give you instruction before you get butt hurt. Point it the direction you're cutting, not that way. Yes, there you go. Start in that crack. Morning, folks. So we're getting a little bit of a late start. You hear the rooster still crowing, but it's like 8 o'clock almost. But today we're going to try to get as much done on the feedlot pen as we can before it gets too hot, and then we're going to go feed cows.
We're finishing the feedlot today.
We're going to do our very best to finish. I don't think they understand the amount of work that's left to do it, but we're trying. We're going to try. So we're going to put a top rail over the feeders and then put a bar across the top that keeps the steers from coming through. Erica's going to work on getting the water troughs ready to go in. Clancy is probably we're going to make a pattern to cut some metal plate to put on the end caps of the feeder to end cap the feed bunks so that feed don't push out. So he'll probably be cutting those out in the shop while we're over here in the sun, welding and doing other stuff. And Fred's going to kind of be my helper, helping me hold stuff, line stuff up. So.
But first, I'm going to show y'all our new little surprise. I'm going to go show them.
I don't know what you're talking about, so. Okay, yeah. Erica's going to take care of that while we do other stuff. So.
Okay, I'm going to show y'all a new little surprise real quick.
Good morning. They're like, we're still sleeping. We're sleeping. These are Cagney's puppies. These are our Livestock Guardian Dogs puppies. This is our newest Livestock Guardian dog she's going to be 3 in January. So she wasn't quite fixed yet. She got bred while we were on vacay. Not vacay, but on a trip. So, these are her little puppies. So as soon as they get weaned, we'll get her fixed. They are so cute. They're about 4 days old, I think, right now. They've got collars coming today, so we'll be able to see who's who and keep up with who's who. There's 6 girls and 4 boys. They're so cute, though. Cagney's probably up at the house taking a break. It's not that heavy. Let's see if I can get it up there. I'm going to hit record this time while Cody's working. Clancy's in the shop making a pattern for the end of this. You're like an artist.
What?
You're like an artist.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna unload my water trough. But he said, now you know that steer pen's grown up, so you might not want to wear shorts. I'm wearing shorts. It's freaking hot out here. I don't care if I get itchy legs.
You said you wanted to do this, so get your water trough kind of centered on that round white pipe.
Yeah?
Really kind of centered on the concrete slab.
Okay.
This way.
Yeah.
We put it in the direction it goes. Does that make sense? Then measure how wide it is, and then you'll need to know, then that'll give you an idea where to mark the pipes.
Yeah.
This thing needs to come up a little.
Yes, sir. No, down. Not, or up. Yes. All right. Hold on. A little further.
That end ain't coming up any, is it?
I'm watching.
That should be pretty close.
That's pretty close. You want to see?
Is it pretty close or is it right? Exactly.
Do we do things
We don't
pretty
do pretty
close or
close.
do we do them right?
Alright, we got our metal out and we're seeing if we can get all 4 off this one piece of metal.
It's hard being a helper.
You're doing a good job. Oh! I didn't do it like that.
How did you do it?
I measured from the middle of it. I didn't think about measuring from the side of it. That was dumb. Yeah, girl, you were getting it. You were getting it.
Okay, you see where to cut? Pick up with your back hand and push down with your front like this. Up with your back hand. Up with your back hand. Keep going.
You gotta quit yelling at me.
You gotta listen.
Quit yelling.
Woo! Girl power.
Again, I got the saw in my hand.
We're just gonna
She's
call.
back with the chipper and hammer.
We're just gonna call you Chipper. It's pretty good with the chip and hammer. We got Dad over here welding. Try doing it with your mouth closed, without your tongue out, Kylie. And then we have me with a lot of stinging nettle on my legs. That's dumb. She said earlier she almost hit herself in the face with a hammer. That's stupid. Alright, Bub's got his first piece. To the side, he's going to check it and make sure it fits before he cuts the rest.
Push up there any flatter than that.
Kylie, you're doing a great job chipping. Okay, apparently I'm in the way. Let me move. Fred's your dancing entertainment for the day. Good job, Fred. She said, "Oh yeah, I got it."
Keep your torch on this side of the line, towards me, Hey,
I'm trying.
listen, I'm trying to give you instruction before you get butt hurt. Point it the direction you're cutting, not that way. Yes, there you go. Start in that crack. Slow and easy. Okay.
That's really bad.
Don't tilt it. You want it kind of pointing down in a little bit the direction you want. You want to blow the stuff inside the pipe. Hey, when it's coming out, yeah. When it's coming out, you're trying to go too fast. Look. Go slow. See how now the end of the stuff's going to the inside?
No.
And I'm going to turn my tip as I come around. So that it's pushing it to the inside. Put your tip up against it. There you go. Put your arm on it. It ain't gonna burn you. Now wait. Now push your tip all the way. Your handle all the way down. There you go. Now go slow. A little quicker. Keep your tip closer to the metal. There you go, just like that. All right, let's turn it. Much better. See how it's... You might not. Don't let it hit your foot open.
Don't what?
Don't let the pipe hit your foot. Keep pushing hard. Don't let that hit you in the head.
Dang, I don't think I got that. I don't think I got that on video.
Guys, I'm starving. My parents didn't even feed me this.
We had bacon and eggs.
They woke me up late, so I had to get out.
Whatever.
Riley, let me have my glasses.
What are these kids doing over here? What's this over here on their phone? Really? Y'all got caught.
Yeah, she got that big we need a hammer. This is your job.
What did you say?
I ain't gonna get in trouble with you and do something right. Let's take more out of you, pussy. You know what you're doing.
What happened? Did it hit Dad? Dang it, I missed it. Where did it hit him? Shut up. Clancy, towards Dad, towards Dad, towards Dad.
Keep trying to hit it right at me.
Because I missed the first one. All right, guys, we took a little break, went to town, went to go pick something interesting up that I'll show you in a few minutes. We had lunch, went to the feed store, got feed, and now we're back at it. So let's check in and see what's going on. I thought you called me over there.
I did, but you didn't come quick enough, so. You might want to put those back on.
Oh, yeah, girl. You want me to do your job?
Huh?
Want me to do that job? Fred's the holder-upper. Still, Fred. Gotta be still. Don't move it,
Yeah,
Fred.
put your clothes back on. This pipe is gonna hold. It's gonna be hot.
Now he says don't hold the pipe. I had some help. All right, I'll come back once we got this welded in and show you how we did.